Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing another look with 3D acrylic flowers. I just fell in love with it. I know if you've seen my other video, make sure you check it out. It's my most recent one, and I am doing just one press-on nail with 3D acrylic flowers. I'm basically practicing for my first time, that video. So make sure you check that video out. Alright, anyway, so in this video today I'm going to be showing you guys just like 3 nails tops, a little cute design I've done with 3D acrylic flowers. I am so obsessed with acrylic flowers, with 3D acrylic flowers. I just cannot stop practicing. I love them. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell so that you never, sorry, my cat is trying to jump up on me. Hit the notification bell so that you never miss an upload, and stay tuned. Okay guys, first I'm going to put a clear coat on the nails. I just think that's like, because I kind of want to do this design with a clear coat. As you've seen, I mean, you've seen the finishing product. But before I was thinking of the actual application, I was thinking maybe I should do a clear coat anyway, because that's the best thing you should do when doing acrylic nails, is have the top layer, the first layer be a clear coat of acrylic. Just in case you want to shave it down and take away the color, whatever color you put on next. And it's best also for when someone's getting a refill and wants to change their color. But so I just got used to applying a top coat, a clear coat first, you know. So we're going to do the clear coat, and then I also think my main mission is to practice the 3D acrylic flowers. So I, just leave the coat clear, leave the nails clear, just because I really want the flowers to stand out, you know? And I don't know about anybody else, but I seriously love applying the clear acrylic. It just works. I feel like out of all acrylic on any line of any brand, whatever, acrylic just lays the best, doesn't it? It's super simple, easy, can't go wrong with it because it is clear. So I just love it. I can do it all day. But guys, I'm so glad you're here watching me on my nail journey, because I feel like I can see improvements from when I first started acrylic back in April, and when I first started nails in general back in November. So I'm very happy you guys are with me on this journey. But anyway, you guys know this hand. So I did purchase this hand from AliExpress. This hand is the bolted down hand. Now I have some of these hands and they're not, like, you can't bolt them down. I just kind of wanted one where you can bolt it down so it can kind of give me the feel of like a real customer. And it just works better because I don't have to keep moving the hand around. It's not in an awkward position. I think this is best. But yeah, I ordered 2 off of AliExpress. They took about 3 weeks to come, and that's how AliExpress works. It will take a little bit to come. But I don't really have a link for it, so just make sure you go to AliExpress if you're looking. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do is put a little bit of acetone into my monomer. That's the trick, to get the bead to dry up a little bit faster, be a little bit more firm, so that we can make those petals, those flower petals. I use, what is it, Valentino Beauty Pure's monomer, and I'm using Valentino acrylic powder. It's their, what is it? I think it's the super white. Yes, the super white that I'm going to be using for the flowers today. So let's get started. A lot of people, or maybe, the professionals, they use brushes that are like specifically for flowers or nail art, but I am using a regular brush from Nail Couture. I did order it. It took a little time to come because of the coronavirus and all that stuff, but I did order it a little while ago. It finally came. It's from Max Estrada. I don't know if you guys heard of him. He's really big in the nail business, and it's the Petite Macaroon acrylic brush. So that is what I'm using. I'm going to swipe both sides and press down a little bit so it can kind of look like a flatter petal. And you're just going to keep doing that same thing, picking up a very tiny bead and putting it next to it. Now my goal, as you can see, the petals are close together, but they don't have to be. You know, they can be a little bit more spaced out so that when you press down, make it wider, it, you know, it connects to each petal. But I'm still learning, like I said, and this is how I'm doing it. But each time gets better. Sorry about my nails, guys. I haven't had time to do my own nails. So I feel like I know what I could have done differently on this one. I could have put that one a little bit more over to the right. Or a little bit down. Like, how do I say this? Down, the way the nail is looking at us. A little bit more down and centered. But pressing down on that petal is so important to get it to look like a petal. You know what I mean? Once you put the bead down, press down on the middle and move it outward, move it to the center, and then swipe to make the, what's that called? Swipe to make the centerpiece more narrow. So when the petal is going out, it's wider. When it's coming in, it's getting more narrow. So you'll see me do that for this one. Sorry it's blurry, guys. My camera just is annoying. Okay, so obviously I'm going to need another petal just to fill in that gap. One more petal. As you can see, it came together to look like a flower. Like, it definitely looks like a flower. When I first started, I was about to give up because I was like, oh no, I messed up a petal or two. But, you know, don't give up. Just finish the flower through so you can see what it looks like. And to me, that looks like a really good flower. So I like it. Everything is moving to the center and the petals look like petals. Like, I pressed down, gave it a little bit of pressure, pressed down and moved it towards the center. So on each finger, I am going to do 2 flowers, a nice amount of distance apart, a nice distance apart so that you can just see each one so they can stand out a little bit more. And I'm not going to keep talking, guys, but I just wanted you to see, I wanted to show you exactly how I do it. And I hope it helps with whatever projects you have. But this is it. I'm going to just be going through the rest of the video, and I'll see you guys at the end. Okay guys, so that is the look. I really hope you like this look. Everything I ordered, from the pearls to, you know, I think it's just the pearls and the tips basically from Amazon, and then everything else is from either Valentino or AliExpress. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you never miss an upload, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!